you know what, he's not threatening, or he's quiet and calm, and yeah, it would. Oh, that was a nice depart. Yeah, very nice. Little more forward. Yep. Well, lift your both hands and stand him up a bit. Yeah. Yeah, bring his shoulders up and push his rear end underneath him. And he doesn't need to rush. He can slow it down. There, good. Oh, that was nice.